Okay, so can you help me? So he went over, we're gonna go over the third one still. Oh wait, before I ask you that one. So the T cells, they help activate B cells and they also have to do with cytotoxic.
Yeah, so you have your helper T cells that just activate. They're gonna activate B cells and they're gonna activate cytotoxic T cells.
Okay.
So B cells produce antibodies and are very good at fighting bacteria. Cytotoxic T cells, their main job is they attack viruses, but the way that they do it is a virus. It's really kind of hard for antibodies to attack viruses. I mean, there might be some that do, but it just doesn't work as well. So viruses, they get into our own cells, they inject their DNA, and they take over our nucleus, basically, our DNA, and they tell our cells to copy the viral DNA. They basically turn our cell into a virus-producing factory.
No way, that's crazy, I didn't know that.
Yeah, they kind of, it's like if our cell's the warehouse, you know, it's a factory for, I don't know,
Yeah.
whatever. The virus is like the guy that goes in there, takes all the factory workers hostage and says, now you're gonna make more of my minions or whatever to go out and take over this whole body.
That's a really cool way to put it.
Is how the viruses work. So cytotoxic T cells, they're kind of like the Special Ops Explosives Ordnance Division. They're just gonna come in, they have their specific target now. They say, you know what, our warehouse has been compromised. We're just gonna go in there and blow up the entire thing and kill all the viruses in the process.
But then it kills your own cells too.
So your cell dies.
Those are autoimmune diseases.
Well, no, that's not autoimmune, that's a regular, normal response. When you have strep throat, well, that's usually bacterial, so that's a bad example. When you have the flu, you get stomach flu is actually not true, that's a misnomer. Flu doesn't cause stomach problems. An actual true flu is more like the just horrible muscle aches and the weakness and the headache and the cramping, that kind of thing. The reason your muscles are so sore, your tissues are so sore, is because viruses are taking over them, and the way our body fights it is killing our own cells. So you get really sore and achy all over.
Okay.
So we literally just go in, we put in a cytotoxin, so it's a toxin to the cytoplasm.
Okay.
That's where they get their name. So we just put in this toxin and just kill the entire cell, and hopefully all the viruses die with it before they get to reproduce too much.